The treatment of chronic cough caused by postnasal drip aims to address the underlying cause. This may include use of antihistamine drug, decongestant, nasal corticosteroid sprays, allergy medication, and avoiding triggers such as tobacco smoke and environmental allergen. Untreated chronic cough due to postnasal drip can lead to complications such as throat irritation, vocal cord strain, sleep disturbances, and impaired quality of life. It is essential to seek medical evaluation and treatment to alleviate symptoms and prevent complication.